We have received positive feedback from around the world. Here's a comment from India expressing appreciation for the practical knowledge and value for money. A viewer from Jamaica shares their love for all the videos and information provided. Viewers thank us for the information, describing the program as informative and innovative. More positive feedback from Zimbabwe and other locations, thanking us for the help provided. Viewers describe the training as very rich and inspirational, particularly mentioning aspects like housing and waste management. The training is described as highly informative and educational, with viewers showing respect for the work of farmers. Another viewer praises the information as informative and valuable, comparing it favorably to free materials. Again, we see viewers interested in training and expressing their appreciation for the videos. Testimonials confirm that the teaching material is simple to understand. Our lecturers are seen as interesting, helpful, and full of passion. One testimonial emphasizes the importance of going through training before starting a farm to avoid surprises and losses. A happy farmer explains how joining the comprehensive pig farming course led to healthier pigs and improved returns.